I'm Aaron from Patrol Apart. We're out here at Mount Terrible today with Simon and the crew. We've brought along our Series 5 Y62 today. On our Y62, we've replaced the top half of the centre console with our raised sliding version. We're the Australian stockist for the product, and we've worked pretty hard with the manufacturer to refine the product to something that works well on the car and works in the Australian conditions where the car's shaking and rattling a lot in four-wheel drive and rutted roads. We've tried to get that product so that it is of factory quality. So for a taller person like me, it's at exactly the right height for me to rest my arm on. The factory one sort of leaves you leaning down here. The sliding version slides forwards, particularly if you're a shorter person and you sit further forwards, you can still use it as an armrest and you're not sort of leaning back here. The main addition that this console gives you is the new top section. We'll keep our winch remote, wallet, handheld UHF radio. I keep my keys up the front pocket here, then it's all secure. Doesn't impact on the main section of the console at all. So if you've still got the fridge section in here, all the seal on here is still your factory seal. It retains the genuine Nissan product there. So it doesn't impact on your fridge at all. If you don't have the fridge, then it just is your normal console and it doesn't affect that at all. You've still got all of that space. So because we've retained all the factory functions, the forward flip function still works as well. They're not a difficult thing to fit, but they are a little bit complex to get your head around. We've got a full video and written instructions. The console uses all of the factory parts. So you basically pull your lid off, strip it down into pieces, and then rebuild that onto the new console. So all of the leather is what you see in the car is actually retained from factory Nissan. So from a quality and appearance point of view, it looks identical to what actually came out of the car. So for all of your accessory upgrades, everything to do with your Y62, give us a call and we'll help you out.